Today we will discuss another propositional expression generation. Example 2. We have given the task in the previous video. Now we will solve them. The task was, that is, the story was, a person is allowed to travel in a reserved coach of a train if he or she satisfied the criteria given below. Means these criteria have to be satisfied to travel in a reserved coach. So first condition is the person is a valid reservation ticket and a valid ID proof. Second condition is or does not have valid reservation ticket but holds a pass issued by railway government with a valid ID proof. Or person is disabled person, holds a valid pass by the railway department along with a valid ID proof. So here inputs are the person has a valid reservation ticket, the person holds a valid pass issued by railway government department, the person has a valid ID proof, the person is a disabled person. So these are the four input values. Output T will be allowed to travel in the reserved coach or not. So 1 indicates yes, 0 indicates no. The task is to draw the truth table for the inputs and outputs given above and write the POS expression. POS expression means product of sums. So we have to find the disjunctive terms first, then product of those terms, means conjunction of those disjunctive terms for output T given these inputs, and then the task is to reduce the output using Karnaugh map. So now let's start. So situations are these: the person has a valid reservation ticket and a valid ID proof. So these are the inputs here, 4 inputs R, P, D, H. To make the truth table there will be 2 to the power 4, that means 16 rows. So R, P, D, H are the inputs and these are the all possible combination of inputs with these 4 inputs. So 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0 means all possible combination of these 4 inputs. Now to solve the output portion, we first have to see this situation. The person has a valid reservation ticket and a valid ID proof. So the person has a valid reservation ticket means R will be 1 and a valid ID proof means D equal to 1. So R equal to 1 and D equal to 1 in these 4 cases, R equal to 1 and D equal to 1. So these 4 we get. Or the person does not have valid ID proof means these 8 combination, holds a pass issued by railway department. Holds a pass issued by railway department means P equal to true. P equal to true here and with a valid ID proof. So P equal to 1 here and valid ID proof 1 here. So these 2 are true. And here these 2 are true. The person is a disabled person and holds a valid pass issued by the railway department along with a valid ID proof. Handicapped person means 1 in the H column and issued have a valid ID pass and a valid ID proof. Valid ID pass means this and valid ID proof this. So this will be 1 and this will be 1 in case of disabled. So this is not true here but this is true for here. And this pass, disabled person and a ID proof, this will be 1. So these are the one we get from this situation. Now we will fill the other rows other input output values with 0. So this is our output T. So this is how we can make the truth table. Now from truth table we have to make the Boolean expression. So in case of finding the disjunctive terms, means the summation terms, we have to put the 0 value, we have to put the Boolean expression for 0 output values, not 1, and also 0 will be placed as it is and 1 will be placed as bar. So this will be R plus P plus D plus H, this will be R plus P plus D plus H bar, R plus P plus D bar plus H, R plus P D bar H bar, R plus P bar plus D plus H, R plus P bar D plus D plus H bar, and so on. This way we can generate these expressions. Now this is our expression, and from this expression we have to put it into Karnaugh map. So this is our Karnaugh map table. Here there are 16 cells. In the 16 cells we have to put R plus P plus D plus H 0, R plus P plus D plus H bar 0, R plus P D bar plus H bar 0, R plus P bar D plus H, R plus P bar D plus H, R plus P bar D plus H bar, R plus P bar D plus H bar, R bar plus P D plus H, R bar plus P D plus H bar, R bar plus P bar plus DH, R bar plus P bar plus D bar plus H bar. So these are the 0 values we have put here. Now rest of the cells will be filled with 1. Now we will select the group. So this will be a map of 4 and this will be a map of 8. So here we will take at most all of the cells we can take together in the number of 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2 means 4, 2 to the power 3 means 8. So here we can get a 8 valued group, and this here we can get a 4 valued group. So from this group we can find a 2 variable output, that is R plus P. So R plus P, and from this 8 variable we will get 1 variable. It will dismiss 3 input values. So here D is fixed, H changes, R plus P all of them changes. So D will be the shorter form of this minimization. So D dot R plus P is the minimum expression for this total expression. So this is our minimization using Karnaugh map. Now I think you all understand. Generate more propositional expression. You can get the questions from internet. If you have some queries or suggestion, let me know in the comment section. Thank you.